If you need a logo for your YouTube channel but don't have design software, you can create one for free with ChatGPT. I'm starting a practice channel called SeeMeDo Woodshop, and we'll build that logo together in less than 3 minutes. Start by telling ChatGPT about your channel, the type of logo you want, and where you plan to use it. We'll drop in the prompt, create a logo for a beginner woodworking YouTube channel called SeeMeDo Woodshop. Make the design simple, bold, friendly, and easy to recognize at a small size. Include a woodworking element that fits the name and keeps the design suitable for a circular YouTube profile picture. You don't need something complicated. You just want to give ChatGPT the purpose, the style, important details, and let it create from a start point. Now we'll click Submit and see what ChatGPT comes back with. Now take a good look at the first result. You don't have to accept the first design, and you can refine it. If the first image ChatGPT gives you is not exactly what you want, you don't have to start over. Just let ChatGPT know what you want to change. In this case, I think ChatGPT done a great job on the first run. But if you don't like something, you can just ask ChatGPT to change it. You could say, keep the overall concept, but simplify the design, or increase the contrast. Whatever you think it needs, just let ChatGPT know and try it. And if that don't work, continue with more refinement. Since I'm happy with this one, let's take a look at what it looks like on the actual channel. It shows well at the large size and at the smaller size. And that's how you create and refine a YouTube channel logo for free using ChatGPT. If you want more beginner-friendly creator lessons, come back to see us. If you have questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.